Here we come to the elevator at the Imperial Center in Durham, North Carolina, right across the street from the Sheraton Imperial. It's a Dover Impulse from 1987. Three. Here's your ADA phone, Michael from One Will Ride. Notice the door open button has an older contact. I think the door open button is the only contact, the older Dover contact, while the rest are just regular micro switches. Oh, this one's got the micro switch too? You see the down lantern is the only bulb that works. Anyways, I know I've already seen. I mean, look how slow the door closes really slowly. But anyways, I know I've already seen like a bunch of Dover Impulse elevators. But with older Dover, if it's a Dover Impulse from like the 80s generation, I might consider filming it. But at this point, I've already seen like plenty of Dover Impulse, especially the newer generation. Right, there it goes. And